The dry season is about to begin. The emotional fuel tank is waving at you. The dry season is about to begin. And I don't know what your situation is. I don't know kung ano po ang katayuan natin sa buhay. I don't know kung ano po ang mga struggle na pinagdaanan ninyo prior to this service. And it's not an accident na narito ka kasi may plano ang Panginoon sa bawat isa sa atin. May plano ang Panginoon kung bakit tayo nagagather right here, right now. Because some of us, again, if not most of us, our life is dry. Our life is empty. Some of us, yung mga relationship natin kay Jesus looks dry and looks empty. Ang mga spiritual tank natin is dry. Ang kaluluwa natin is dry. We have so many accomplishment. People saw your accomplishment. Nakita ng tao lahat ng medals mo, lahat ng trophies mo, but you are dry from within. An emotional drought is a dangerous place to be in. Spiritual drought is a dangerous place to be in. Some of you are mentally drained.